So how did we determine how small to make a breast when we're doing a breast reduction? Let me show you the parameters, the options that we have. This is a breast reduction that we're doing right now, and it always looks like we just kind of exploded the breast. In fact, when I saw my first breast reduction when I was in medical school in 1994, I was like, what on earth are they doing? This is not going to look good. But that's what we have to do. We kind of open up the whole breast, we remove the tissue, and then we put it back together in a smaller package. So let me show you the things that we can do to make a breast smaller. These are what we call flaps. Okay, so these are tissue that we leave with the skin, and there's a certain thickness that we can make this tissue here. The more tissue we leave behind, the smaller the reduction. It's going to be a bigger breast when we're finished. We have to leave this a certain thickness in order to make sure the blood supply is good to the overlying skin. If we just removed all of this tissue and made this paper thin, then this tissue the skin on top would die. So there's a certain amount of tissue we have to leave behind. And for me, it's about this thick. This is a nice thickness here, so the flaps are nice and healthy, and the breast also has a nice full look. The other thing we need to do is we need to make sure we keep the blood supply to the nipple and the areola under this little blue towel alive. And we do that by maintaining what we call a pedicle, and this has the blood supply. And this may not look that much to you, but this blood supply that's coming up from here is what's keeping this alive and what's keeping this whole breast. This, in essence, now is the remnant of her breast. So where did we remove the weight and the tissue? We removed it from what we call medially, so in the middle part. We removed it all here. So now this is actually her chest muscle. We've taken all that tissue here from all of that area. And then a really important area to make sure that we get all of the tissue is this side part, because that's a really big problem with patients that have undergo breast reductions, is they tend to have fullness left over here. So I actually go and I remove all of this. I'm right down to her, just a little bit of tissue on top of the muscle, but this is all nice and thin, and this is all thinned out here. So I make it thinner over here because we don't want all that bulkiness and fullness. And so that's how we do it. And if you can go over and show the amount of tissue that we've removed about 800 grams of breast tissue, and breast tissue is composed of fat and breast itself, and so it's a combination. And that tissue will be sent to pathology, where they're going to check and make sure that there's not some hidden unknown cancer that's in there, so that we can make sure that she's fine.